Hello students, today we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 15, that is our environment. So let's start our multiple choice questions. So our first question is, teacher gave vegetable peels, empty bottles of medicine, empty packets of milk, used tea leaves, broken footwear, and polythene bags. Which of these get decomposed faster? Option A, vegetable peels, used tea leaves. Option B, polythene bags, empty packets of milk. Option C, broken footwear, empty bottles of medicine. Or option D, vegetable peels, broken footwear. So its correct option is option A, vegetable peels and used tea leaves. So this option is correct. Whereas in other options, if we see in option B, there are polythene bags which do not decompose easily. Similarly, empty bottles of medicines or broken footwear, these also do not decompose easily. So our correct option is option A, vegetable peels and used tea leaves. Next question, Jyoti wants to know about non biodegradable substances. According to her teacher, non biodegradable substances are inert and simply persist in the environment for a long time. Which of the following are non biodegradable? Option A, vegetable peels. Option B, pieces of paper. Option C, plastic bottle. Or option D, leather shoes. So, among all these options, which items are non biodegradable? So, our correct answer is option C, plastic bottle. Being a good citizen of country, which of following will you follow? Option A, carrying cloth bags to put purchases in while shopping. Option B, switching off unnecessary lights and fans. Option C, walking to school instead of going on scooter, or all of the above. So we know that all of the above options are correct. So our correct option is option D, all of the above. That is, we should follow all of the above points as a being a good citizen of our country. Next question. Today, Aman read that ozone layer is very much necessary for us. Can you tell why this is necessary? Option A, it shields the surface of Earth from ultraviolet radiations. Option B, it helps in formation of many gases. Option C, it helps in growth of vegetation on Earth. Or option D, all of the above. So students, we know that ozone layer is very much necessary for us because it shields the surface of the earth from ultraviolet radiations. So its correct option is option A. Next question, from an article of a magazine, Kuldeep gets to know that the amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in the 1980s. On asking, his teacher told him that some chemicals harm the ozone layer. Which of the following chemicals damage the ozone layer most? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, chlorofluorocarbons. Or option D, none of these. So students, we know that chlorofluorocarbons are chemicals which damage the ozone layer the most. So our correct option is option C, chlorofluorocarbons. Next question. Today, teacher told that the disposal of the waste we generate is causing serious environmental problems. How can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? Option A, by using cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Option B, by using coolers instead of disposable cups. Option C, by using dustbins at your school. Option D, all of the above. So, students, we know that all of the above options are correct. So, our correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question. Sudhir read that when an organism dies, then the microorganisms comprising bacteria and fungi break down the dead remains and waste products of organisms. What are these microorganisms called? Option A, decomposers. Option B, producers. Option C, consumers. Or option D, none of these. So, students, we know that those microorganisms which break down the dead remains and waste products of organisms, those microorganisms are called decomposers. So, option A is correct. Next question. Today, Shafi studied about food chain. Which of the following constitute a food chain? Grass, wheat, mango. Option B, grass, goat and human. Option C, goat, cow and elephant. Or option D, grass, fish and goat. So, students, among all these options, we know that option B, that is grass. Grass is eaten by goat and goat is eaten by humans. So, this constitute a food chain. So, our correct option is option B, grass, goat and human. Next question. The function of decomposers in ecosystem is to option A, make food. Option B, decompose dead animals. Option C, make soil fertile. Or option D, eat herbivores. So, students, we know that the function of decomposers in ecosystem is to decompose dead animals. So, correct option is option B. Next question. Which has more food variety? Food chain. Option B, food web. Option C, equal in both. Or option D, both A and B. So, students, we know that more food variety will be seen in food web. So, correct option is option B, food web. Next question. Only dash of the food eaten is turned into its own body. Option A, 20%. Option B, 12%. Option C, 40%. Or option D, 10%. So, students, its correct option is option D, 10%. Next question. By which process the chemicals used to protect crops get accumulated progressively at each trophic level? Option A, biological magnification. Option B, biodegradation. Option C, respiration. Or option D, biological development. So its correct option is option A, biological magnification. Next question. Ozone layer gets depleted due to leakage of option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, chlorofluorocarbons. Option C, oxygen. Or option D, nitrogen. So, students, we know that ozone layer get depleted due to leakage of chlorofluorocarbons. So, correct option is option B. Next question. Blue green algae, which can produce food by photosynthesis, come under which category? Option A, herbivores. Option B, producers. Option C, decomposer. Or option D, carnivores. So, students, blue green algae which can produce food by photosynthesis, it comes under which category? It comes under producers. Option B, producers. Next question. What is the full form of DDT? Option A, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Option B, dichloro-diphenyl tetrachloroethane. Option C, dichloro-decaphenyl trichloroethane. Or option D, dichloro-diethyl trichloroethane. So students, full form of DDT is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Option A, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Next question. In food chain, the second level is occupied. In food chain, the second level is occupied by option A, carnivores, option B, producers, option C, herbivores, or option D, decomposers. So in food chain, the second level is occupied by, so its correct option is option C, herbivores. Next question. Chlorofluorocarbons are used in refrigerator. Option B, air conditioner. Option C, in spongy form. Or option D, all of the above. So chlorofluorocarbons are used in refrigerator, air condition, and in spongy form. So its correct option is all of the above. Option D. Next question. Which of the following constitute a food chain? Option A, grass, wheat and mango. Option B, grass, goat and human. Option C, goat, cow and elephant. Option D, grass, fish and goat. So students, as you see, this question is repeated. So its correct option is option B, grass, goat and human. Next question, non-biodegradable material. Option A, paper. Option B, dead plants. Option C, polythene. Or option D, raw fruits. So among all these options, the non-biodegradable material is polythene. So its correct option is option C, polythene. Next question. Which of the following are environment friendly practices? Option A, carrying cloth bags to put purchases in while shopping. Switching off unnecessary lights and fans. Option C, walking to school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. Or option D, all of the above. So students, this question is also repeated again. So as we know that all of the above practices are environmental friendly. So its correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question. Producer in land ecosystem. Option A, grass. Option B, insect. Option C, frog. Option D, snake. So in land ecosystems, which are producers who are in land ecosystem who are producers? So its correct option is option A, grass. Next question. Which of the following group contains only biodegradable items? Option A, grass, flowers and leathers. Option B, grass, wood and plastic. Option C, fruit, peels, cake and lime juice. Or option D, cake, wood and grass. So students, its correct option is that which group contain only biodegradable items is option A, grass, flowers and leather. So correct option is option A. So students, today we have solved important multiple choice questions of chapter 15, our environment. And in our next video, we will solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 16. So thanks for watching our video.